This book is called Big Bird's Copycat Day. It is written by Sharon Lerner and illustrated by Joe Matthew. I like to be a copycat. I copy things all day. I do what I see people do and say just what they say. If Grover says, "Hello, Big Bird. Good morning. How are you?" then I will say, "Hello, Big Bird. Good morning. How are you?" I eat the same things Cookie eats. Well, maybe not quite all. I hop the way that Ernie hops and try hard not to fall. I flap my wings and peck and coo like pigeons in the park. And when I see my favorite dog, I wag my tail and bark. Every time I hear a baby talk, well, I go gaga goo goo. And when she drinks her bottle, I drink a bottle too. I like to copy Oscar. I know just what to say. When someone comes to visit me, I tell her, "Go away!" I can hoot just like an owl. I can buzz just like a bee. And sometimes, when I'm all alone, I even copy me. I see the Countess counting all the stars up in the sky. Because I am a copycat, that is what I'll try. And when he says, "It's time for bed," "Good night, Big Bird. Sleep tight," I nod my head and smile and say, "Good night, Big Bird. Sleep tight." Good night.